Okay, so as you can see, there is a lot of stuff. We just went through everything, and I wanted to showcase some of the items that I'm very excited about. This is what it was. I was just starting to count, and I remembered this. This is the brand Golden. I've actually never picked up this brand before, but when I looked this one up online, these retail for a lot, and the resell is definitely there as well. I really liked the distressing of this one, and then it has this fun little zipper detail at the bottom as well. All right, let's find something else. So we've got some bread and butters. These are tried and trues. In fact, I just checked the other day, and on Seller Insight, it says Nike is one of the top brands for 2020 as well as 2021 in our store. So we love to pick these up. They don't always have a high ROI, but they are bread and butter and a consistent seller for us. And then at some of the regular stores, we did find quite a few Athleta leggings, which I love to have athletic gear in our store. So we've got Athleta. This is Adidas. This is a really cute Adidas, to be honest. I was very tempted to keep it myself. It does have that jersey layer inside. It is stitched in though. Let's see. These are some of my favorite finds. The first one being these awesome boys. Hold on, see it here. These are Jeffrey Campbell. I've never found this brand before. Super thrilled to see that. This one is a brand I had never heard of before, but the resale value is amazing. Vivo Barefoot. And these are in really great condition too. Next, we grabbed these Nikes. New, I had seen on eBay for over $100. I think it was like $120. So I knew that if we could get these cleaned up, and it was the same colorway as well, that these would sell for a pretty good profit. Even if they sold for $50, I would not be disappointed. These were a really great one too. These are Resell's. And we did pay up for these ones, but I was very happy with the comps of these, and the tread on the bottoms of them were really good too. There we go. Clarity is on point now. There we are. This is a new to me brand. This is called Thursday, and I cannot wait to report into what sold. Wah! Because I think these are going to sell pretty quick. This was another fun one. These are Tevas. I've never actually seen Tevas like this, but comps were really good. These are Vince Camutos. This is like a gladiator sandal. And as per usual, we got a lot of coats, a lot of puffers, a lot of windbreakers, those sort of things. They do really well for us as well. This is a Piranha. We love to sell Piranha. It sells pretty quick for us. We got a lot of Columbia shorts, pants. Oh, these are Roller Robins, my bad. They look pretty similar though. This, we actually found a couple of this brand, and I love selling this one. It's a pretty new to me brand, but so far every time we've gotten it, it has sold for us. These are True Religion, and I know True Religion does not call for the same price point it used to, but this actually looks like a newer style. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research, but I figured it'd be worth trying out to see if it's still worth picking this up if it's at the thrift stores at a good price. This was also a really fun find. We found a Patagonia, and this is definitely like a layering piece is the word I was looking for. It's a very soft material. It's thin, very lightweight, but also will keep you warm, which is awesome. Let's keep looking. This was a super cute like teddy jacket, and this is by John Galt. I think it is ALT or ULT. I don't remember. This is a full zip, and this brand we've had a couple of times, but I've never had it in a jacket form, and so I was very curious to see how well this is going to do. This is a size. I'm gonna have to probably look up the size or do measurements, honestly. You guys, there's so many piles. I just don't even know what to do. I'm definitely going to showcase more of these items later, but I wanted to kind of give you just a little bit more vlogging style. We found some bags. My husband found these riding boots. I bought that for our house. That is an awesome bag as well. This is a Columbia, and it actually has the Omni Heat style inside. It is pulling more of a like lighter gray, but it is actually more of a heathered dark gray. And this is a size small, has the fur lining, which looks in pretty good condition. I probably might roll this part, but other than that, I was really happy to find that. All right, guys, I'm going to start counting, and I will report back soon.
So that's what we do immediately when we get home. We count all the pieces, and then we figure out what is the cost of goods. So that way I can proceed with washing the items or steaming the items to move forward with listings find the pieces. And so in today's video, we are going to go over some of the items we got. This is kind of the point that we are at until we are able to get it photographed and then listed. So I love this step because I know it is right at the brink of getting listed and being able to get sold. So let's get into it. And if there's something that you find in this that you are interested in, feel free to comment down below. I would love to create a sale for you and be able to track it via PayPal. So let me know. This is a Columbia piece. I love this fleece. It's kind of lightweight, but it still has that fleece material, which keeps you warm, and it is a size medium. It's a women's. This is another brand we love to have in our store when it is a good affordable price. It is Duluth Trading. It's a really good outdoor brand. This one is a woman's medium. It's a button up. The next piece is Lucy. We actually sell this brand pretty regularly, which is why we continue to pick it up. I liked this print specifically. I felt like this was a really good print size. Pattern, and this is a size large. Here is a Athleta Leggings, and it is a heathered pink. You can see the logo on the back. We find this brand pretty regularly, and it always sells pretty good for us. Size medium. Next we have Pendleton. So if you didn't know, Pendleton is actually 30 minutes away from us, Pendleton wool. So I love finding this brand. I feel like we can find it pretty regularly in the Pacific Northwest. This is what the brand looks like. And depending on the item, it will sell really high or just at a standard place, which is, enough for us to pick it up on a regular. This one is an extra large and it is a men's. And then also, since we are in the Pacific Northwest, we tend to find Nike pretty regularly, and their corporate office is actually in Oregon. And so we typically find a lot of Nike, and so we do our best to try to find more unique pieces when we do pick it up. This item was interesting. It says Nike running right there, and it also has kind of one of their like sample tags on it. This is a size medium, and I feel like it could be more unisex than anything. Maybe a little larger for a women's medium, but I still love it. This one is a size medium. This is a brand new with tags Brooks piece. It is a legging. I love the color. It is a great color. It's my favorite color. And this one is kind of a 7/8 full length piece. This is a Title 9 dress. I loved the print of this one. It is a size small. It is sleeveless. I love the performance dresses. I feel like they tend to do really well in my store. Don't know why, but they are very sought after. I was really excited about this. My husband and I were just talking about the brand. This is honestly, it looks more like a medium boys to me. Oh, it's an extra small. So this might be an extra small for men, but all the more, this is a brand that I feel like does do really well, especially when we can find the logo like that on it. Next is another favorite outdoor brand for us. It is the brand Cool. This is what it looks like, and actually if you can find that logo, normally that is the men's logo, but then if you can find that logo in a heart shaped, that is actually the women's brand. So this is just a standard button down. It is a size medium, but it is a performance shirt, and Cool is an amazing outdoor brand. I always love to pick it up. It always sells quickly in my store. Definitely pick it up if you see it at a good price. Next is Denim Jeans, and they are Everlane. I love Everlane. It is always a brand that I get so excited about anytime I see. This one is a size 27, and I think this is actually a high rise. Yeah, high rise skinny dark denim, and it is a button fly. This is a funny story. This is Hurley with the collab of Nike. I didn't know that existed. My husband didn't know that existed. We actually found this collab at the bins. My husband passed on it because he thought that it was potentially like someone who had bought a Nike item and then added Hurley into it to try to make it authentic, but wasn't really. And then he looked it up later when we were at the thrift store and realized, oh, it is actually legit. So I was bummed because we could have had so many more of this collab, but nevertheless, these are performance men's shorts, and these always do really well for us. This is a size 36. And that is it for this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!